What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. I actually, this one specifically, these are limited edition Batman shoes. You will see why I call them Batman shoes in a bit. So, Skechers. I know you guys, some of you seen my video in regards to the anodyne shoes, the diabetic shoes that I really love. So, these I got for Christmas, straight from Batman himself. And they're, I'm gonna say, limited edition. So let's get started. So Skechers Outdoors, built with durable traction, water repellent treatment, Skechers air cooled memory foam, and footbed for all day comfort. So I've never had Skechers before in my life, literally never. I've always used Converse, Audios, basic Walmart shoes until I told myself I needed to support. So yeah, here it is. I am actually I'm a 10.5, but I mean, we're gonna give it a shot either way. It has all these right here. It has Goodyear performance outsoles. That's crazy. Excellent traction, durable rubber, and enhanceability. So yeah, and it's a white fit, so it's perfect. I am actually a white type of person, which is weird how to say that. Anyways, yeah. Remember, guys, there's medium and wide. So let's go ahead and get started. So these are the limited edition Batman shoes. We'll take out one because both are the same. But dude, oh my gosh. Straight from Batman himself, these are the official Batman shoes. Yeah. So we're looking at all this right here, the traction. When it comes to shoes, I always care about like the support. Like as you can see here, I can't bend this back. It's really hard to bend back, even if I have to. I mean, over time it is, but the fact that it's look at that. If you can't bend that, that means it's a big deal. There's a lot of support here that which we need, because our arc support is what's more important. So not being able to do that, that's what makes it, this is a good shoe in reality. So all the supports right here, as you can see from the inside, there's a memory cool foam. So, for people who get their feet sweaty whenever you're running around, this is really going to help. So other than that, yeah, you can sell the spikes right here. I know I'm going to have less grip by the end of the year, but this is totally awesome. This is actually the official limited edition Batman shoes. Basically is what it is. And of course we have, let's get into the design for those shoes enthusiasts. So we have this right here to avoid stubbing our toe. We have extra protection. I know that happens to me sometimes. This letter right here, it protects us still. That's really good. This is kind of soft, so I'm not sure if, yeah. I mean, there's little cushion, but be careful on these toes right here. So this is basically in case anything tries to fall on you. You may still get hurt, but I mean, you won't feel it. This is just to at least alleviate the tension of the shoe. And of course, at the bottom, we have all these spikes. This is made for outdoors to provide you grip. This is awesome. I like the arrows because, some are going up, some are going down, provide extra support for all terrain and notifications. And of course, these right here, where, when you're stepping on trees or branches, scrubs, this will help the angle of it. The Goodyear, I've never seen that before, but that looks kind of cool. So I'm guessing Goodyear partnered with Skechers to provide this kind of grip. And if you use Goodyear tires, you would know yourself you're getting into. And right here, this is where everything, I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, this is where the big arc support comes into play. This is so important because most of these are heel, especially when we're walking. I know I use mine. How do I know? Because I basically drag it along. So this is a big bonus for me. We're looking at the back. Ooh, nice. The back of it's really good. In case anything hits us from behind, at least we have support there. That's super important. You don't want to get like Achilles heel or get cut off from here. We have a nice pullback in case we need to use it, and it's made of good materials too. Although I am kind of iffy about that part. It might come off, but I don't really use that. I usually unloose the shoe and we go from there. Coming up, this is the same side. This is still soft on the top, so I like the little cushion right here. It provides us, gives us balance to make our foot breathe and not pulse. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Skechers wide fit. I really like the wide fit. I don't like the medium fit. Yeah, guys. I mean, let me get the other shoe out. That way we'll know. But this is, once again, this is the limited edition Batman shoe from Skechers. I really like it. I tend to go for shoes that are, you know, like business casual, but at the same time, I try to go look. This almost looks like a skateboarding shoe. If you just see it from the top, it reminds me so much of Audios. That's another reason why I actually got it for Christmas. Yeah, so this one has more information. So it has Scotchcard footwear, durable protection from water. So that's really good. It has a Goodyear Performance outsoles, excellent traction, has stability, durable rubber. So who knew we have wheels on? I never thought we'd have like grip on shoes, and of course it's a white fit. So that's my favorite part. And of course this one's right here. So I will probably be using this one whenever I'm out and about, or if I'm out in the yard working on something, cutting trees, cutting grass. This will be good. I really like this. And I'll probably use this as well. The best thing about this is that you can use it as a casual wear or outgoing, because no one will really notice. If anything, they'll tell you, oh, those are, just say, oh, these are Batman shoes. I'm like, oh my gosh, these are literally Batman shoes. So you got the cape, and then, you know, Batman's body armor. And of course, we got the yellow, where that's the signature colors of Batman. Other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. I don't know, for all you shoes enthusiasts, tell me what you guys think. Like I said, I really like the cushion of it. It's a lot of support. I don't think I'll need to buy any insoles, because it's pretty high, and I don't want to feel like I'm in a cloud when I'm super high. I know it'll probably give me an extra layer. So if we remove this bottom part right here, it will just be a flat foot. We don't want that. We want that extra arc support. So this is amazing. Once again, guys, these are Skechers. Let me see if I can get you the model number. Don't think they have a model number. They're just called Skech Air Envoy. That's what they're called. Let me get you. Skech Air Envoy. Here it is. Sorry about that. Yeah, Skech Air Envoys, gray and black. I really like that. It has a mixture of both, and honestly, these are gonna serve me pretty good. I'll just put this back because, you know, I don't know. I want to keep it straight, at least for the time being. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Well, and I'm gonna say, will these beat the Anodyne? Once again, the Anodyne are basically. Anodynes are basically mostly going to be used for work-related purposes. These are more of like outgoing purposes and stuff, as you can see. These actually look like climbing shoes, but other than that, these are just for casual Fridays and stuff. I might use them on casual Fridays. I mean, I know I'm going to get compliments on them, but I really do like the signature of the Batman signature of it. The gray, you know, the classic Batman with the gray and the black, and then of course his yellow, which is his little signature from his belt. Or at least Batman's belt from it is. And yeah, other than the guys, tell me what y'all think. Would you buy? Would you not buy? Etc. Ooh, I actually like these little arrows right here. Once again, these are rubber and grip, and I'm pretty sure Goodyear makes good tires. I've never used Goodyear tires before, unfortunately. Never tried them. I've been using Otsu's, and I think that's about it. Yeah. I get my tires at Discount Tire. Best service ever, just an FYI. Not an endorsement by Discount Tire, but I do like their service and their products and their features and what they use. Never had any problem. But other than that, Goodyear, if you want to send me some tires, you know, let's talk. But other than that, I think, yeah, these there's a small defect, but who cares? Other than that, these look authentic. I can't wait to use them. And other than that, yeah, once again, guys, these are Skechers Envoy. Skechers Air Envoy. So there you guys have it. Let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think of these shoes, and would you buy them, and for what reason? I will talk to you guys later. Peace. Batman out.